renovated kitchen. Since we were remodeling, we replaced all our old appliances with these stunning stainless steel ones. The previous ones were more than 10 years old. We also desperately needed a second fridge. We made some smart changes for more counter space. I'm proud to display my glassware collection. With all the remodeling happening, my favorite thing is the backsplash. It really brightened up the kitchen. Oh, and this beautiful view outside while I do the dishes. My daughter Ruhi is the interior decorator behind all the renovations. Hope you enjoyed watching this. This is where the magic happens.